Hi everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 2 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 2 math and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter Subtraction 2 digits. The lessons we're going to cover today are subtract multiples of 10, subtract a one digit number from a two digit number without regrouping, subtract a one digit number from a two digit number with regrouping, subtract two two digit numbers without regrouping. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I'm on grade 2 math. The chapter we're on right now is subtraction. Two digits. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is subtract multiples of 10. Fifty take away 20. You have to subtract the multiples of 10. The multiples of 10 are the one that when multiplied by 10 you have these numbers, right? 10 times 2 is 20, 10 times 5 is 20. They all are the multiples of 10. So how do you subtract? You have to write them. They both the numbers have exactly 1 0, right? So it is easy to subtract. You have to write them down one above the other. 0 take away 0 is 0 and 5 take away 2 is 3. So 50 minus 20 is 30. Let's just start with the test questions. Eighty take away 40, which is the correct option? Just write them down one above the other. Both the numbers have exactly one zeros. 1 0, subtract the ones, 0 take away 0 is 0, and 8 take away 4 is 4. So 80 take away 40 is 40. Option number 1 is the correct option. 80 take away 40 is 40. Option 1 is the correct option. 80 take away 60. 0 take away 0 is 0, and 8 take away 6 is 2. So 80 take away 60 is 20. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 20. 50 take away 30. 50 minus 30 equals, option number 3 is the correct option. That is 20. 90 take away 70, which is the correct option. Very good. That's option number 190 take away 70 is 20. Option 2 is the correct option. 70 take away 30, which is the correct option. That is 40. Option number 2 is the correct option. 70 take away 30 is 40. 60 take away 20, which is the correct option. That is 40. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 50. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Subtract a one-digit number from a two-digit number without regrouping. 23 take away 2. Start with 23 and count back two digits. So 23, 22, and 21. So that means 23 take away 2 is 21. Let's just start with the test questions. 27 take away 3. So start with 27 and count back 3. So 27, 26, 25, and 24. So when you started with 27, count back 3, you end up on 24. So 27 take away 3 is 24. Option number 1 is the correct option. Ninety-five take away 3. So start with 95 and count back 3. So that is 95, 94, 93, and 92. So when we start with 95 and count back 3, we end up on 92. That is 92. Option number 2 is the correct option. Fifty-six take away 5 is 96. 56 take away 5 is 51. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. 88 take away 8 is That is 80. Option number 1 is the correct option. 77, take away 1. That is 76. Option number 2 is the correct option. 95, take away 5. Ninety-five take away 5 is 90. Option number 1 is the correct option. 23 take away 2. That is 23 take away 2 is 21. Option number 2 is the correct option. 19 take away 8 is 19 take away 8 is 11. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Subtract a one-digit number from a two-digit number with regrouping. Let's just start with the test questions. Thirty-seven take away 9. Start with 37 and count back 9. 37, 36, 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30, 29 and 28. So that means 37 take away 9 is that is 28. Option number 3 is the correct option. Fifty-four take away 5, which is the correct option. That is 49. Option number 1 is the correct option. 51 take away 4 is that is 47. Option number 2 is the correct option. 71 take away 5, which is the correct option. 66 it is. Option number 1 is the correct option. 11 take away 9, which is the correct option. That is 2. Option number 2 is the correct option. 20 take away 1 is That is 19. Option number 1 is the correct option. Fifty-five take away 9. 46 it is. Option number 3 is the correct option. 96 take away 7 is 89. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. 23 take away 5 is 23 take away 5 is 18. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. 41 take away 3. 41 take away 3. That is 38. Option number 3 is the correct option. 66 take away 7, which is the correct option. Sixty-six take away 7 is 59. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is subtract two two-digit numbers without regrouping. 16 take away 3. So start with 16 and count back 3 digits. 16 take away 13 is 3. Option number 1 is the correct option. 17 take away 11. That is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. 17 take away 11 is 6. Option 2 is the correct option. 13 take away 10. The correct option is 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. 13 take away 10 is 3. 13 take away 11 is that is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. 17 take away 15 equals that is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. 13 take away 12 is that is 1. Option number 3 is the correct option. 13 take away 12 is 1. 18 take away 7 is 1. Option number 1 is the correct option. 16 take away 12. That is 4. Option number 2 is the correct option. 13, 14 take away 10 is 4. Option number 3 is the correct option. 18 take away 12 is that is 6. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 6. Option number 2 is the correct option. Very good. 15 take away 12, which is the correct option. That is 3. 15 take away 12 is 3. Option number 3 is the correct option. 18 take away 16. That is 2. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 2 math. The chapter we were working on is subtract multiples of 10. Subtract a one digit number from a two digit number without regrouping. Select a one digit number from a two digit number with regrouping and subtract two two digit numbers without regrouping. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you, or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Any questions? Okay. See you in the next session. Bye.